how to send USDT from OKX to OKX. Hello everybody, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial, you would learn how you can send USDT from OKX to OKX. So kindly watch till the end, alright? The first step is to sign in into your OKX account, just like I have done here. You can see it on my screen. And then once you're signed in, the next step is to move to the lower part of the screen where you can see 5 options, namely OKX, Discover, Trade, Grow, and then Access. I just go ahead and click on Access. All right. And after clicking on Access, wait for the page to load. Okay. Once it has loaded, you can see that the only option that you can see here is deposit, right? So that means that we cannot get what we're looking for here. So the next step is to go back to the lower part of the screen and click on the OKS icon, which is located by the lower left corner. So once you click on that, you'll be brought to the home page automatically. Then the next step is to move to the top left corner where you can see a group of dots. Once you see this, click on it. After clicking on it, you'll be brought to another page entirely. On this page, you can see shortcut manage asset. Now under the manage asset option, you can see buy, sell, deposit, withdraw. Just go ahead and click on withdraw. And after clicking on withdraw, for you, you'll be taken to the page where you would be asked to select your withdrawal option. You'll be asked to choose USDT as you'll be asked to choose an asset, and for in this case, so you'll be choosing USDT, and then you should opt for internal transfer option since you're trying to transfer from an OKX account to another OKX account. All right. Then the next thing is to enter the recipient's phone number, email, user ID. Fill in all of the spaces displayed, specify the amount of USD you want to send, submit the transaction, and then monitor the withdrawal history icon to track the status of your transaction. All right. Now, for me, it is displaying this because I have not verified my account. Before you can carry out transfer or whatever on your OKX account, you have to ensure that you have verified your identity. Okay. So after verifying identity, all of the things I've said earlier would be displayed. So kindly follow through and you will be good to go. Thanks for watching and have a good day.